Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today, we're going to take a look at the TurtleWax Headlight Lens Restore. This is the Heal and Seal technology version. There are two other versions available. You also have the Hybrid Solutions version, and then the Green Line version that's found just about absolutely anywhere you would look. I found this version or this kit at a local AutoZone. You can find them on eBay, Tractor Supply, and Walmart, anywhere price-wise ranging from $21 to $38. The kit includes the precision polishing pads, multicolored and numbered pads with different grits, the spray lubricant, the lens clarifying compound, and then finally the base coat and top coat lens sealing wipes. The 2x2-inch polishing pads are numbered 1 to 4 and also color-coded. They start off with a real coarse or a rough grit, number 1, and number 4 is smooth, equivalent to about 3 or 4,000 grit. We have the perfect candidate to demonstrate the kit. The factory coating has failed, and also we can show its limitations because the lens is also fractured or cracked all the way through to the inside. So I can show what it can do and what it cannot. We need to first shave off the yellowing, failing factory coating. So we'll grab the spray lubricant and we'll grab the sanding discs, and we'll start with the first disc, the coarse grit, and work our way down step by step. Disc number 2, the second step, and the grits are getting finer and finer as we move on. And during every step, you're going to see a white milky substance running down the surface of the lens, and that is that failed yellowing, oxidized coating slowly being removed and shaved from the surface. It's also clearing up every step that we move onto, and by the time we get to the polish stage, it'll be easy to clear up the surface or the lens. to see. Hey. Once the plastic lens dries a bit, you can see some of the hazing, some of the sand marks left over, and that will easily be cleaned up and removed, cleared up during the next step. Time to grab the lens clarifying compound. This can be done by hand or machine, and I'm going to show you outside in direct sunlight. You can do it by hand, and the results will be fantastic. Once again, after each step, the plastic lens gets clearer and clearer, and it's time to grab the base coat lens wipe. Tear open the foil, pull out the little cloth, unfold it, and quickly you should have both lenses, or whatever plastic lenses you're trying to clear up, have them sanded first, and then use this one little towelette here and apply the base coat to all of the lenses that you want to protect. Do not wipe off, it'll self-level, and let it sit for a few minutes in direct sunlight. It won't take long at all, and then you can apply the top coat or the sealant. Once again, there's only one foil of the base coat and the sealant for all the lenses that you're trying to protect. So be swift and quick about it and get them coated. Doesn't matter which way you put it on, circular motions, crisscross patterns, as long as you are spreading it out evenly and cover the entire lens. Okay, we came a long way from the cloudy, failed coating on the lens to a new headlight look. It does have its limitations. I'm going to point out over on the driver's side the cracks and fractures all the way through. It can't fix those, but that's, obviously. Other than that, it looks like a new lens. It's nice and crystal crisp, clear at nighttime, so you can see. No issues with inspection, and just the overall look has improved. And all we need to do is finish up. Correct and protect all of the lenses you wish to restore. And in no time at all, you have two new lenses up front. So let's talk about the pros and the cons. The pros, it's easy to work with, easy to use, it's simple, it's effective. The cons, I wish there would be extra foil packs of the base layer and the topper. I would give it an 8 out of 10 and maybe higher once I keep an eye on the lenses and see how they hold up. Will they yellow again? I'll keep you filled in. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.